Good morning. This is the video for negative numbers. This is the last bit that we're going to be doing about place value. There'll be a test on Monday and we'll be moving on to something new. Here it's asking you to complete the number lines. So it's got the numbers here and you just need to fill in the blanks really. And it goes from -5 through 0 back to 5. Here it's a little bit harder. You're starting at -25. And then it's got different jumps this time. Try and think what the jumps are, and I think what would go in those boxes. Here, Whitney and Ron are playing a game. He's stuck on -4. She's ahead on 2. He moves forward 5 spaces. Where is he now? And Whitney moves back 7 spaces. What number is our counter on now? Here you've got a number line to help you find the differences between numbers. So first it's asking you for the difference between 3 and 5. So you're kind of looking over here. And remember, you don't count the one that you're on. You just count the next one and the one you land on. Then it's asking for the difference between -3 and 5. So you're starting here and counting up the steps to go to 5. Here you've got the difference between -1 and 1. So those two. And then -5 and 5. So all the way from there to there. Number 4, they started trying to apply your knowledge into word problems. So the temperature on Monday was 4 degrees. That night the temperature fell by 7 degrees. What is the temperature at night? So you've got to take away 7 from there. Might be useful to use this and extend the number line to where you need to go. Or draw your own number line. Sometimes people like it where it's a vertical number line like a thermometer to help you. So B, on Tuesday the temperature was 13 degrees Celsius. By how many degrees did the temperature rise from Monday night to Tuesday? So Monday night was the answer to here. And how far is that? What's the difference between that number and that number? Okay, then we've got a chart to have a look at. This bar chart shows the average temperatures for each month at the North Pole. I can get quite warm at the North Pole, didn't realise that. So you've got temperatures ranging from -24 in January up to 16 in July and down again to -22 in December. So on average, which month is the hottest? So think which temperature is the warmest there and which one's the coldest. And it's asking you to find the differences between different things. So what is the difference in temperature between the hottest and the coldest? By how many degrees does the temperature rise between March and August? We've got March and August here. How many degrees does the temperature fall between June and November? We've got June here, November there. And how many months of the year is the temperature below freezing? So freezing point is 0. So how many months are below 0? And in what month does the average temperature drop below freezing? Okay, have a little think about that. In 6, Teddy is on the 4th floor of an office building, which is 14 metres above the ground. So you might say it's like +14. And Rosie is in the underground car park and she is 3 metres below the ground. How far apart are they? So it's in kind of in metres. So you've kind of got like a -3 and you've got a +14. And you can think of drawing yourself a number line with all the divisions and seeing more divisions than that and seeing what you get. And for number 7, what number is the arrow pointing to? So just think, what do these divisions represent? And then what's that one? And then finally B, what number is halfway between C and D? So you've got -4 and 10. What's the difference between those two? And what's halfway, the half of that distance? Okay, have a little think about those. Okay, bye-bye.